Non-revenue water, which is known as NRW, it's an aspect of the water measurement here in Linden. What has happened is that we've had recorded a very high percentage in the 60% average range as it relates to NRW. So imagine what you're producing, almost 60% is not accounted for. So we have gathered a team that is currently on the ground and have started work. And of course, I can tell you, we have begun to see major results. We have seen an increase in level of service immediately. Of course, there's an increase in metering because if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. On top of that, there is a buy-in by residents, by customers, because now they're made more knowledgeable and they have a greater understanding of what is and how they can contribute to ensure that there is sustainability and of course there is conservation. You know, we have this adage that says water is life, save it. It is now becoming more real to the customer because of the interaction through the NRW project.
It was a concern that if you're going to have most of the water collected for the western side of Linden from this creek, then how do we ensure the sustainability of the supply? So what we decided to do, based on consultation with GWI and other stakeholders, is that the best way to protect the quality of the water and ensure sustainability of the supply is to come up with a watershed management plan. A plan to enable us to manage the resource. Like, where does the water come from? How do you protect the water? What activities are currently going on within the watershed? And in the long term, what activities we need to put in place or secure to make sure that the quality of the water, the quantity of the water within the creek remains constant. The greatest thing that CReW is doing for us in this project is the funding, because the watershed management plan was developed about 5 years ago, and it was kind of hanging around waiting for engagement, funding, and participation. So CReW gave us the opportunity to implement the plan and have a model for other watersheds within Linden, Guyana.
This is the most important commodity in one's life. The CReW Plus project plays an integral and very important part in this whole process. I think their intervention is timely, and so with all of these projects coming, it is towards an end to ensure that a person can go to their taps without fear, and they can draw water from that tap and they can use it for drinking purposes.